Today, I'm going to share a day in my life, how I make my own sandwich breakfast, and I'm going to boil sweet potato mixed with glutinous flour, and I was surprised with the result. It tastes so good. So I'm going to smash this. Ay, butki. And I was surprised with Sophia reading skills.
Very good. Clap your hands.
Your prize.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you too. If you want to see more, stay tuned and let's watch the vlog together. Okay, so let's make some sandwich with, let's say, ham. But this is not ham. This is cheaper version of ham. Cheaper version of ham. Or cheaper version of spam. Put cheese. Add meatloaf. Okay. Oh, tiki ka. Mayonnaise.
Mommy, help ko ni kuan sa water.
Very good. Cucumber. Combine them. Then add lettuce.
Papa Jesus, Mommy. Nulos, Mommy. Nulos ka na. Anong delikado ko.
So I use 3 sandwich bread. Okay, so right now I am going to cook some snacks. So this time I'm going to make sweet potato and glutinous flour. So I'm going to combine them. So I have here sweet potato. This is different kinds of colored of sweet potato. I have sesame seeds. And since we don't have milk, I'm going to dilute this powdered milk. And then some sugar and glutinous flour. Okay, so first thing we do is we're going to fill this one. This is different color. This is yellow, yellowish. And then I am going to chop it. Pretty girl. I think we put too much water. Okay, so let's boil this one for a few minutes. At least, I think it's 10 minutes to boil this one. We have to check every 10 minutes. Okay? Pila kilo? 5 lang. Bud, kaigo ba ng kwarta din ha? Okay, so let's try this one. This is sweet potato. Let's see if it's already cooked and then we can smash it. Potato.
Pati kayo. Christmas. Pati.
Okay, so I'm going to smash this one using fork. Okay, so I have here so this one is the sweet potato mixed with glutinous flour. Then later we're going to add more flour. So just add gradually. Then we're going to add milk as well. Tipong kayo. Nilukot niyo.
Maroon.
So I didn't measure the flour, guys, or the glutinous flour. Since we're going to put some milk later, we're going to add some.
Wala kay kuan na.
It's supposed to be white sugar, but we don't have white sugar. Okay, so I'm going to dilute this Bear Brand. We're gonna add the sugar here, supposed to be. So we're going to add this milk gradually. We need to add some glutinous flour, we will add later. So the texture is like making a bread, but we're not gonna make some bread. Wow, looks good. So we are done with this one, and then right now we're going to make
Ito ko mo observe ko food mama.
Lagparon pug mayo nimo.
no. Okay, we're gonna make some small.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Okay, so we're going to put some oil. This is fried, guys, but this is olive oil, so it's okay. Since my doctor told me it's okay to use some olive oil. Okay, so we are done with this one. And beautiful. Let's try this one. Dami na. It's so good. Yay! Wow! So this is it. Ay, butiki. I am not sure what's the name of this one, but this is just a recipe with a combination of glutinous flour and sweet potato. It tastes so good. I think the kids like this one. So I have chamomile tea because I have insomnia, guys.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L M M O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good! Yay! Sige, read.
I L I P I M
N.
N A L I F E C R I C
S.
balik.
Okay, balik. Oh, balik daw sa Crishal.
C
Yes.
why?
Because nasayop ka.
Okay. C R A I S H E L.
Very good. Clap your hands. Yay! Okay, so since you're a good girl, this is your prize.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you too. Very good. Ako bigkis. Ako po. Pia, basahan ni Pia.
B E Y O U R
Wow.
B E S D
T.
T
Very good. Nanay, what time na nanay? Okay, what time na sa clock?
7 2 2
Very good.
U M D Y
No, R.
R 1 1.
Very good.
Kami
Ana, pila ka percent ang cellphone?
9 5.
Yeah.
Very good!
Actually, guys, she was reading the time, the day, the date, and the battery percentage. Very good. Oh, how about this one, Pia? Look. Come on here.
Ooh.
Okay. What's this one?
X
Iklaro na. Tuwad na siya.
A
Pila na.
M
N.
N O
No, D.
D
But looks O. Kani.
F O W
W kay baliktad, but that's M.
M.
M E.
Oh, very good. How about this one?
C O L D A Z
No, T.
T R E R I N
N.
N U
No, F sa una.
F U S I O M
N.
N.
Very good.
How about kani?
How about kani? Sige daw, be.
Dako gahan anak.
Ay, mana.
So, he can't read the small letters, but he can read, she can read
Oh!
the big letters.
Mommy.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone.